Hi, this is Ranjan Mujumdar. Today I am going to explain few important HTML tags. In my previous tutorial, I have explained multiple tags. These are address, italic, image, anchor tag, and map tag. Now I am going to explain important multimedia tags. The first tag is audio tag. So remember, in case of audio, the OGG file and MP3 file are used. So what is the syntax of audio tag? In case of audio tag, a user or a developer, web page developer can use audio and source tag. The attribute of source tag is the name of the file. Here I am searching the sample theory. Sample theory, I am checking the properties of sample theory. This is OGG file. .ogg is the extension name. Sample theory. In Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Editor, the VS Code editor, you can see the suggestion. Here the suggestion is, you can see sample3.org. I am clicking it, and the type is type within double quotation audio. Oh, I am writing here, the web browser does not support the audio tag. Why I have written this? Actually, there are multiple web browser which does not support audio tag. That is the reason I have written it. Otherwise, you can write another source file here. Suppose it is MP3 file, or the extension name is MP3. In this case, you can write like this, MP3. If a user or a web page developer use MP3 file, in that case the type would be MPEG. Remember it. If a user or web page developer use OGG file .ogg extension or .ogb extension, in this case type would be audio / OGG, or in MP3 it will be audio / MPEG. Now I am saving it, and I am opening going to comment the previous code. Now I am saving it, refreshing the web page. You can see nothing is visible. So what shall I do to visible the content of audio tag? You have to write controls here. If I refresh, you can see the content in web page, but the time duration is 0.00. Why it is 0.00? Because I have written here OGG. You have to write OGG. OGG is the file name. Okay. Now I am saving it. I am going to refresh it. You can see the value. If I refresh it, you can show the output is reduced. So this is the functionality, or this is the function of audio tag. Or nowadays this tag is very essential to build a web page. If source file does not support in current web page, then there are two possibilities. One is you have to update your browser, another one is this content will show. The web browser does not support the audio tag. The next tag is base tag. What is base tag? In case of base tag, you have to maintain some scenarios or you have to maintain some statements. What I am saying just now. Base tag should be written within head tag, and base href is the attribute. Suppose here I am writing https://youtube.com. I am closing it. You can see there is no closing tag of base tag. What type of tag base tag is? Remember, there are two types of tag. One is empty tag, another one is non-empty tag. In case of head tag, you can see there is a start tag and there is an end tag. What is the meaning of this? That it is called non-empty tag. And in case of empty tag, there is no closing tag. A base tag does not have any closing tag. That is the reason it is called empty tag. There are multiple examples of empty tag. Suppose BR is an empty tag. Input form control element, this is also an empty tag. So you must remember it. There are two types of tag. One of them is empty tag, another one is non-empty tag. Now I am going to show the output of base. Suppose I am writing here A, that's been an anchor tag, HTML2 by Ranjan Mojumdar. Suppose you can see this is my upcoming video. Suppose you can see this is my new video what I have published yesterday, and here the URL is https://youtube.com, and in this case I am just selecting this portion, I am copying it, and in my previous base tag I have already declared, I have already used this portion https://youtube.com as href. So I am just copying it and I am going to paste here href and I am saving it. Refresh it. HTML by Ranjan Mojumdar. If I click on it, you can show the output. You can show the output. Hi, my name is. So what is the function of base? You must remember it. In case of base, you have to write the base tag within head tag. After that, you can use your anchor tag in body tag. If you want to use another anchor tag, you can use it, because in this example or in this tutorial the base tag is youtube.com. Viewer or listener or learner must keep it in your mind that in case of base tag, whatever you write at first, that base tag will be used. Suppose in this tutorial I have used facebook.com at first, later I have used youtube.com. So if I save it and refresh the web page, if I run it, you can see https://facebook.com. That means whatever you write at the beginning or at first, that base tag will be used with the anchor tag. If I replace the base tag, the latest base tag, that is youtube.com, if I cut it and paste before facebook.com, if I refresh it and save it, you can see this is youtube.com and this is by video. So remember it, whatever you write at the beginning or at first, that first base tag will be used with the anchor tag. So this is the functionality of base stat. Base stat is basically used the base form of base URL or a link. Thank you.